Highland, Michigan. Oh shoot, it's hailing. Duh. No, bad kitty. Bad kitty. It's hailing. Crazy where I am. In Highland, Michigan. USA. Like literally, like it's like crazy. It's like it's insane. It's like pouring hail. Like little bits. They're melting quickly. They're small, but it's like absolutely insane. And literally, the wind was power enough to knock over my greenhouse shelves. Like this is insane. And it moved that picnic table and my zip line. It's tangled. It's pretty insane. Like you're through the window view. Are you looking at the hail? Look at the grill. Oh my god. Here it comes. It's crazy.